Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create CoinStats account. To create CoinStats account, first you have to download the CoinStats application from your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. You can also visit the official website coinstats.com and go to the sign up page. Here, I'll be using the CoinStats application, so tap open the application. Once you open the application, it will lead to this main page. On the bottom right, you will see more option. Tap on it. On the top right, you will see sign up option. Tap on sign up. Here, you can sign up using your email address and creating a new password. You can also sign in using your wallets. For quick signing up process, you can choose from the given social accounts. It can be Facebook account, your Twitter account or your Google account. Here, I'll be using my email address and password. You have to enter your valid email address right here. Once you enter your valid email address, you have to create a password. Make sure that your password has at least 8 characters, including numbers, symbols, and letters. Once you are done entering your password, tap on Sign Up button. You have to complete this puzzle for verification process. Now, you will be sent a verification email to your email address. You have to check your inbox for it. Tap on the mail from CoinStats. To verify your email, tap on Verify Email. Tap on the given link. And now your email has been verified successfully. You can connect your crypto portfolio to get started. Now you can go back to CoinStats and here you go. You have successfully created CoinStats account. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.